Good evening, Roaming Speed fans. Dennis here in the garage. I wanted to have a quick follow-up. This video is going to be very quick on the Cerakote trim application we put on over the weekend. I told you guys we'd do a follow-up, and as the days have gone on, the plastic and trim have looked worse and worse. So, like I said, this is uncut. I'm not going to do any editing on this. It's just going to be what it is. So, this is the front fender. I don't know, it's going to be hard to tell, but you can kind of see, like all through here, you can see here is just full of streaks. So, it's hard to capture, there we go, with the light. But this is unacceptable. I did treat the mirror caps and the door handles, and I don't know if the textured fenders reacted different than the just solid plastic, like the mirror caps, but the handles are about the same material as the fenders, so I don't know what the difference is, but let's take a look at the mirrors. See, they look pretty even, no problems. I just got home and I wanted to do this video real quick, so the Jeep did get a little dirty. But the handles look good. But once again, let's try to get this. You can see the streaks all over it, on every fender, the bumpers. I mean, you can really see it there. It's hard to capture with the light. Here's the other fender. So, I was really hoping this was gonna work. This was Chemical Guys car wash. This was greased lightning prep and then washed with Blue Dawn and then a first application, and the fenders looked really streaky. So I held enough back to do touch-ups, and I had 5 packets, so I did 5 cloths the first time on the 4 fenders, the rear bumper, mirror, and handles, and I had 5 left. So I ended up taking the remaining 5 and doing a second coat, where the first coat I did more of a pattern like this, and then the second coat, or when I did the first coat I did this. I was hoping when I went back with the second coat, I did more of like a swirl pattern to try to help alleviate the streaking, but as you can tell, it didn't help at all. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, a $24 application either is going to let my Jeep look pretty crappy for 200 washes, or I'm gonna have to buy fenders and a rear bumper and everything to get this thing looking right. I mean, I keep the Jeep really clean. I'm really proud of it. I love it, but this is unacceptable. So I would not purchase this. This is 100% junk, and I don't know if they don't say anything in their instructions, but I've used Back to Black and some other chemicals on this in the past, so I don't know if it leached into the plastic and won't let it adhere. But with all the cleaning, there should have been no chemicals left in the fender plastic. So this is 100% unacceptable, and do not use this. I'm warning you, do not use it. If you do, maybe test like just a little section like right here, and then if it doesn't do anything, maybe do a little bit more, but it looks really crappy. So I wanted to give all you guys just a heads up that there's a very, very good possibility that this is not going to end well. I'm very upset and not looking forward to spending the money on getting this fixed. So, all right, like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated, and we got some more video content coming up. So have a good night, guys.